The objective of this lesson is to learn how to change the text orientation in a cell. So let's take an example. Here I have a table with students and scores, and I have here a header called student. The problem with this header is that if you look at the text orientation, it's from left to right this way. And if I just make the cell bigger, it doesn't look nice. So how do I change the text orientation? I'll go to home, I click here in alignment on this arrow, and then I have alignment. So I have two ways to do it. Number one is to do it this way, so I can check how my text will look, or I can change the number of degrees manually. So if I do it this way, and I click OK, you can see that now my text is looking better, and I can just make the cell width smaller, and then I can format it like this, and my Excel will look much nicer than before.